Hey, once again, welcome right here. In this video tutorial, we're going to share with you how you can use all these button functions right here. Now, first of all, we're going to introduce you the market watch. The next one will be navigator, and thirdly, terminal. Now, all you need to do is just learn this basic step first: market watch, navigator, and terminal. Now, step number one, get to know what is the market watch. When you click right here, you can see all the instruments that you're going to have here. So based on your trading platform, normally they will include several of instruments such as forex, indices, and commodities. Now, for those who have a bigger, wider trading platform, sometimes they will show you that you also have a CFD for stocks such as UK and US. Now, for those who are using ADS securities, now you have more advantage right here, where you have the forex, indices, CFD, US, UK, stocks, and of course the commodities. Now, in this section right here, in order for you to open all the instrument, all you need to do is just bring your mouse right here, just right click, show all. Yes, once you show all, you can drag it down. You can see there's so many few hundred instruments right here. Now you can see, or you can bring your mouse right here, just drag it aside so they can see it better way. Now in this case right here, you can see all the forex pair. You also can see there's a cross pair as well, exotic pair included. Now you also can see the CFDs for US share and also the UK shares. You can see like Alibaba, HNC, Amex, AIG. Now you also can see beside that, you also can see down below here where all the indices. Now the active indices will be US30.cash, which is the Dow Jones. Now you also will see US NDX, which means the Nasdaq. Now every time you see with the .cash means this chart right here is continuous, means you can use this chart right here to buy and sell and hold for a few months long. Now beside that, you also will be exposed to German cash, which is the DAX. Now for the time being, we don't offer you guys all to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now for more other details, you can check right here. Okay, as for now, those who still very newbie, we suggest that you start only with forex pair and at least minimum with US30 cash, which is the Dow Jones. Now slowly, if you're getting more advanced or you already attend any advanced classes, we suggest that you also probably can join and trade the CFD of UK and US. Now in this case right here, we only suggest that you start with any of the forex pair or US30.cash, which is the Dow Jones. Now in order for you to see as well, the next tip is if you want to see what is the spread. Spread is actually the fee that is going to take by the broker. Now fee is very normal, it's a fee that we have to pay. Now in trading, that is very normal. So in order for you to see the spread, all you need to do is just right click your mouse and you can show the spread. Now in this section right here, they will show you what is the spread. So 20 means it's only 2 pips, 2 pips, 1.8 pips, 1.8 pips, and this spread right here will be changed based on times. When there's more volatility, the spread can change up to times. Now this is very normal if you trade the currency. Make sure that you always stay in profit so that you can cover this broker fee or the spread fee. Now the next steps right here, I'd like to introduce you. The next button right here is the navigator. Now in this navigator, once you click activate, you can see right here there's so many indicators that you can use that can help you out. Now the next steps right here is the terminal. Now terminal is very important for you to check all your trading sections right here. Now you can see what exactly happened to your portfolio. Now if you want to activate your terminal, don't forget to click right here, terminal. Now in this terminal, you can see what is your current trade right now. You can see your balance equity, and you can see your margin, and you can see your margin level right here. Margin level can be assumed as your oxygen tanks right here in trading. Now it's very important for you to also check on the other side account history, news, alert, mailbox, market, and many more. As for now, the section of trade and account history will do. Now in this video tutorial, we're going to share with you how you can open the chart. Now the question is how to open the chart. It is so easy. All you need to do is just bring your mouse right here to the selected pairs that you like. Say for example, you like to see USD CHF, which is USD against the Swiss franc. All you need to do is just bring your mouse right here, right click your mouse and open chart window. Now every time you click the chart window, sometimes the chart will show something like. Now sometimes for those who are just opening your chart, sometimes you see window like this. So in order for you to open specific chart, you can just go ahead there on that particular section and just click maximize so that you can see individual chart. Now the good news is right here you can adjust all these sections right here that suit your style. Now in this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change this chart. Instead of just a bar chart, you can change this into Japanese candlestick. Now it's up to you on how you will see the chart. For those who are still beginner, I suggest that you just use a simple systems right here that we're going to guide you. Now in this section right here, I want to share with you how you can change all this background or the chart setup. So all you need to do is just bring your mouse right here in the middle, right click your mouse and slowly go right here to properties. Now when you click properties, there'll be window pop up something like this. Now it is very important for you to make sure that you change this color of your chart or your bar. Now bar up, we just like to remain lime. However, for the bar down, I'd like you to change right here to red. Now the bull candle, I'd like to suggest you to go and click line. And meanwhile the bear candle, you can change it into red color. So this usually will be the standard for anybody, especially those who newbie. Now once you're done with the color, go to the common section right here. Now in this case, if you prefer bar chart, then you can activate bar chart. However, I prefer to use candlestick, so I activate candlestick so I can see it better. Now for those who want you to show volume, you can click to show volume just in case. Otherwise you just can leave it this blank. Now once you're done, all you need to do is just click OK. There you go. You can see already a very nice Japanese candlestick or candlestick chart right here on your platform. Now some of you are probably thinking that this grid is right here, probably is going to disturb you a little bit. Now you can go back right here by right click and go to properties, and this time right here just deactivate the show grid. Once you're done, just click OK and you will never see any grid again. You just see nice and clean, just nice, simple and clean chart. Now next step I would like you to do is just go ahead and save this template so that you don't need to change this again and again. Now how to save this clean template like this? Very simple. All you need to do, just go ahead and bring your mouse right here to the templates, click in this section right here and click save template. Then this section right here, you can just go ahead and type there plain chart or naked chart. Once you're done, just click the button save. Now just in case if you like to open again another chart, say for example GBP US dollar, you can just right click the mouse and this time click chart window and it will open it back the chart again like this. Now all you need to do, just go ahead and click template and click plain chart, and there you go. You just activate again the GBP USD with a clean chart. Now how do you know the chart is GBP USD? All you need to do is just look at the left corner right here at the top to know whether you open the right instrument. Now in this section right here below, you can select all the pairs or the instrument, this based on the instrument that you prefer. Now the next steps right here, we like to share with you the shortcut just in case you would like to open the chart directly on your system without dragging whatever situations right here that you see, without dragging left to the right. Now in this video tutorial as well, we want to share with you how you can change this chart to other pairs on this bond. Now assume that you like to monitor what exactly happened to GBP USD. Now all you have to do is just bring your mouse right here and click this mouse and hold your mouse and slowly drag it to the right and just release right here. There you go. Slowly you will see GBP USD will be appear on your trading platform. Now assume you would like to monitor what happened exactly to Euro USD. Again, select this section. Again, select Euro USD. Click your mouse, hold your mouse and slowly drag it to inside of this section right here and slowly release, and you guys can see Euro USD will be in this chart, and so on and so forth. Now another next step is, if you want to change the chart on the spot, there's another method right here that you can change directly the chart without dragging from left to right. Now in these tips right here, I'd like you to bring your mouse in the middle, click the mouse, and this time on your keyboard click the button enter. Now on your keyboard, when you click the button enter, you basically activate the suggestions area right here, which is the symbol and the period. Now in this section right here, you can type the suggested instrument that you prefer. Say for example, you like to prefer to see what exactly happened to the Dow or US30 cash, so you can type there US30.cash. So once you click enter back again, you guys can see the chart will be automatically changed to US30 cash. Now bring your mouse again right here in the middle and click enter again on your keyboard, and you guys can see auto suggestion will be opened down below. And say for example, this time you like to monitor what exactly happened to Euro USD, so click backspace and type Euro USD, and this time you click enter. Automatically the chart will change it. Now did you know that on this top right here, I would like to introduce you the time frame. Now time frame is very important for those who want to see what kind of time frame that you usually trade. Usually we suggest for those who newbie, make sure that you stick with H1. Now slightly aggressive trader, you maybe want to go slightly more smaller time frame by clicking 5 minutes. Now M representing minutes, meanwhile H representing hour, and D representing day, meanwhile W representing weekly, and M means monthly. Usually as a trader, we will see from the higher time frame to lower time frame. It depends and suit your strategy. In this case right here, I prefer to use H1 for my own monitoring. So go ahead and take your times right here to test out 5 minutes, 15 minutes, M30 or H1. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to join us again on the next video on how to use your MetaTrader trading platform. See you guys again. Bye.